Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So we begin with our first stock, which was SBI at 518 rupees. 518 on weekly chart. The breakout did not weekly, daily chart. I'm really sorry. 518. So where is the opening range? 521. Then it came right back to 514. So 521, which means only one target is hit. Moving on to second stock, it was Zee Entertainment at 313 rupees. Zee Entertainment. So on daily chart, there was not much of a breakout. 313, where is 313? So this is opening range 314.5, 314, so 315, 314.40, 312.90, 311 point, so 312. 311 is my SL. No, SL was not hit, which means 316. So only one target is hit. So one target hit. I'm going to copy the previous result in Zee Entertainment's result box. Third stock was Jindal Steel and Power at 436 rupees. It seems that there was a bearish day in today's session. 436 and my target is 438. The first target, yes, there was a bit of breakout. Let me go to 5 minutes chart. 436. So where is it? Somewhere here. 436.80, 433.05. Yes, SL was hit. Unfortunate, but it's it's a fact, and we have to get on with it. Fourth and final stock was Signity Technologies at 616 rupees on daily chart. Yes, there was a huge breakout. Opening range was bang on the breakout level. Where is our breakout line? Not here, this one. 17. Our SL was never in danger until this particular point. Where is it? 623, and then it came down to 611, which is lower than our SL. So I have to look at the highest range before that, and what it is 623.12. So only two targets rather hit. So today was a productive day or a fruitful day in terms of calls. Now we are going to analyze stock number one for tomorrow's session, and that stock is none other than Amara Raja Batteries. On hourly chart, the breakout line is drawn at 710 rupees. Look at the price action. I'm going to zoom in. This level was tested right here for very first time, and then price was swinging up and down, and look at the current rally. It is the strongest of all, and after testing the breakout level for the second time, we can see sellers are coming into picture, but they could only take stock price as low as 700 rupees. And after that again buyers have started buying. So this is a good sign for a breakout at 710 rupees. If breakout does happen, I can see a decent target somewhere in the vicinity of, let me draw a line, my fancy level of 730 rupees or so. Stock number 1 for tomorrow's session is Raymond India Limited. On early chart, we can see that the level of 490 rupees is acting as a strong resistance level. So price came almost at this particular level twice before today's session. But looking at the price action, see the rally. The rally to the 490 level began at 437, which means buyers were at ease. They were buying almost every single day. And as the price was going up, we can see more and more buyers joining the rally. And as a result of that, we can see decent size bullish candles along with spike in volume activity. So everything is pointing towards another bullish momentum in tomorrow's session above 490 rupees. So most probably the level of 500 rupees should be taken down in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Sudarshan Chemicals. On daily chart, I'm going to draw a channel pattern. We can extend the channel pattern like this. Let me draw a breakout line as well. So this is a breakout line. This line is touching high of today's session. So we are going to buy at 610 rupees. Pay attention. This is a demand coming at the support level. After that, buyers came and bought at a decent quantity, hence pushing the price over the round number of 600 rupees. So if the breakout happens, we can see a decent target somewhere in the vicinity of 630 rupees or so. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Bandhan Bank. On daily chart, just like Sudarshan Chemicals, we can also draw a channel pattern. So this is support, and now I am going to draw resistance level. As we can see, price is easily moving in between the channel pattern. After a fake out from the support level, we can see buyers coming into picture. They are buying at more than decent quantity, and the result is spike in volume activity and long range bullish candle. So the breakout above 315 rupees or so should lead to a decent bullish momentum up to the level of 328 to 330 rupees. These are the levels in front of you. I am going to share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. As I always say, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.